Check out this 2008 Nissan Quest. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.